Cash App Borrow only appears for selected users based on account activity, location, and internal eligibility signals, so it can disappear even if you've used Cash App before. By the end, you'll know why Cash App Borrow is not showing, how eligibility actually works, and the real steps that can make it reappear. Start with the main reason. Cash App Borrow is not available to every user. Cash App enables it only for accounts that meet internal eligibility criteria. Now, explain what that means. There is no manual way to turn it on. It is automatically enabled or hidden based on your account profile. Now, explain the most common factor. Account activity is one of the biggest signals. Cash App looks at how often you send money, receive deposits, and keep your account active. Now, explain another factor. Your direct deposit history matters. Accounts with consistent deposits are more likely to see Borrow appear. Now explain location and rollout. Cash App Borrow is also rolled out in phases. That means two users with similar accounts can have different features at the same time. Now explain why it disappears. If your account activity drops or changes, features like Borrow can temporarily disappear. It is not always permanent, and it can return later. Now explain what users should not do. Reinstalling the app does not unlock Borrow. Creating new accounts to access it can violate Cash App rules and lead to restrictions. Now, explain what actually helps. Step 1 is to maintain regular activity inside Cash App. Step 2 is to keep your account verified and in good standing. Step 3 is to use direct deposits if available, since that signals stability. Now explain a key misconception. Cash App Borrow is not a guaranteed feature. It is more like a limited access product that changes over time. Now explain what to check first. Open Cash App and look at the money or banking section. If Borrow is not listed there, your account is currently not eligible. Now explain patience factor. Eligibility can change over time, based on how your account is used. That means it may appear later, even if it is missing now. Now, summarize the core idea. Cash App Borrow not showing usually comes down to eligibility, not a technical bug. It depends heavily on account activity, deposits, and Cash App rollout decisions. And there is no instant fix, only actions that improve eligibility over time. One practical next step by T. Focus on adding consistent deposits or regular Cash App activity, since those are the strongest signals for eligibility. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of Cash App features, without confusion.